All right, give me a little spray right there.
No, tilt it all the way down.
There you go.
You got it.
All right, stop.
Don't freeze the needle like I do.
What's
Stick,
it gonna feel?
sting, and a burn.
How'd we do it? Did we call it?
Mm-hmm.
Feeling much pain?
No, not now.
Good. It did initially?
A little bit.
A little bit initially. We'll give you a little more back here. A little more. So you tried tying it off with a string, right?
Right.
Okay. Sometimes that works.
How come discoloration only lasted for a little bit? Just hold it there.
The
Just
discoloration?
put it there. Yeah. Like it didn't go complete like the other ones.
Well, this is different. This is a pedunculated lesion, which means it has a stalk. And that's by definition, that's what a skin tag is. So this one warmed right back up right away.
The scissors and the that one, yeah.
Very good. We're now going to excise the skin tag.
Ooh.
We're going to grab right there. We're going to make a little cut. Just like, how was that?
That's crazy. Your friend is gone.
It's gone.
He went bye-bye.
It didn't fall on the floor and wiggle
No.
like a worm.
No,
No.
we're going to save it for you and put it in a little jar. I'm going to need a stitch, please, ma'am. Did you feel anything?
No, not then.
Okay. Miss, let's grab on
Is
here.
he just getting uno?
I think this is a one-stitch deal here. I really do.
Can you get a band-aid? And I'm gonna put a band-aid over. And you're gonna come back in a week
Right?
to get your stitch removed.
Okay.
He's like, who are you talking to?
Come back in a week if you want to. Must be real quiet when we stitch this. I'm
Here,
going to
I
show
wanna
him what it
see.
looked like. You want to see what it looked like?
Yeah.
There it is, right there.
Bye-bye, friend.
I'm going to pass off the skin tag to you. And I'm going to use this alcohol just to kind of clean you up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to give you a Band-Aid to put on that. Just keep it covered. Come back in a week, we'll take that stitch out for you. If you really feel aggressive and it looks like it's healed well and you want to take that stitch off yourself, that's certainly okay. You're allowed to scream at me if you want to.
I don't feel that. I felt that cold
You felt
stuff.
the cold spray. It surprised you, didn't it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's more surprising than anything else. And this should work just almost immediately. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit more in. Got a little bit right here, so we'll use it. Giving that back. It's definitely got a presence.
Got a
Don't you
core or
feel,
something like the
forceps?
core around it.
I was actually going to use a 15, but I can use an 11. So we're just going to gently lift this up and we're going to make an incision and remove your little pal here, Crybaby. Why'd you want your nickname to be Crybaby?
'Cause I don't like needles.
Well, that wasn't so bad though, was it?
No, the spray was worse.
Yeah. Well, guess what?
Is it off?
Your giant skin tag is gone, and I'm going to put a stitch right where we removed it so that this doesn't bleed much. It might bleed a little bit. But we really trimmed it right at the base. Actually, we could get away with using a little clotting powder. But I'd like to just be on the safe side because there is a lot of friction between this part of our body in general and our jeans. Make sure that we have a little bit better bleeding control.
Do you know my name?
Did it bleed?
No bad, not bad.
You cutting?
Uh-oh, sorry, be feeling all on you.
There we go. You didn't lean on me too much. I think that's going to be just fine. This might ooze just a wee bit, Crybaby.
Okay.
Okay? If it does, put a Band-Aid on it.
Alright.
I wouldn't worry about it. That wasn't that bad, though, was it?
No. Did you put a band-aid on it?
We're about
put it on there
to.
for you.
I got a sharp here I want to hand off to you. Thank you so much for letting us video your procedure. You're awesome.
No problem.
Bye.
Hey folks, are you wondering how to boost your immune system to help protect yourself in cold and flu season? Well, maybe it's time for you to stack up on Meta 7. Meta 7 ingredients like B12 and B6 are the building blocks to a healthy immune system. In fact, according to health.com, vitamin B12 is a powerhouse. It helps make DNA, nerve and blood cells, and is crucial for a healthy brain and immune system. So if you're over 50, don't eat a balanced diet, or suffer from fatigue and could use a nice boost, then try Meta 7 today.
Meta 7, I've gotten more energy. I feel good. I don't have any aches and pains like I usually have. And I notice just more energy with them.
Since I spend more energy and more energetic, I sleep better. So it's been a pretty good product for me.
Notice a huge, tremendous energy boost. Before I was really sluggish. I didn't want to do anything, even my work. It showed it, but now since I've been on it, my work is getting completed.
Check out the Amazon links in the description below, and you can order today with Amazon Prime.